Afternoon, Christian down here at Unity Beach. Thought I'd give you a quick tour of one of our new lodges that we've just got coming to stock with ourselves, ABI Kilda. The massive benefits of this lodge is it is a huge 4-bedroom. Now I haven't seen a 4-bedroom lodge before, so I thought we'd give you a quick tour, see what you think.
You know this lodge, Christian?
Yes.
You could let this on guaranteed income, yeah?
We do.
Up to 10,000 a year, I think.
Absolutely, 100%. So we have a guaranteed letting service where if you circle the weeks you want to use it, we will rent it at all the other time, and we will pay you the money up front on the day that you sign the agreement. So it can either 1, come off the price of the holiday home, 2, you can pay the site fees for the following year, or you can do a bit of both. Pay a bit of site fees and have a bit off the holiday home.
And if they wanted to buy a caravan, because this one's, how much is 169 you said?
169,995.
So, but if they wanted to buy a cheaper van, just come and ask for you or Damien.
Yep, myself or Damien.
So this is Damien, guys.
Hi guys.
He's relaxing, he's tired.
Just relaxing.
Heavy night.
Weekend.
Had 2 beers last night.
Busy weekend.
Yeah, look at is it comfortable?
Yes, it is very comfortable. But we start at 24,995.
Sorry.
And we do flexible funding packages. We do the guaranteed letting scheme, and we also do the letting scheme as well. So whatever one suits your fancy, come down and ask, and we can adapt it to whichever unit you fancy buying.
And tell me, Damien, how many pictures you've got left roughly?
2 or 3. I can't remember because I think one might have sold this morning, so it's either 2 or 3.
Yeah, so come down and hook up with Damien, hook up with Christian there. This is the kitchen, guys. So this has got a washing machine.
Fully fitted out kitchen.
Is that the washing machine there?
Washing machine's in there. Bosch, top quality items as well. Dishwasher.
We'll sell it with everything in it as well, yeah, okay?
Fridge freezer, built-in microwave, oven and grill. And also got your downlighters, which look nice at night time.
Could I see outside?
Look at the size of this decking.
How big is this one? 12 foot?
I think it's 20 foot wide and 12 foot deep.
Can they keep the table and chairs here?
And we've also got a little surprise here.
Whoa, comes with a hot tub, guys. No, that is gorgeous.
I'm tempted for a dip.
That's nice, isn't it?
Glass of wine, a few bubbles.
Talk to me about the location, because I know that's the swimming pool and the soft play over there, yeah?
The location, yes, we're close to all the facilities. The new wonky donkey that's being built.
There's a gate there to go through as well, isn't there?
Yes, you can just nip through the gate there. So if you fancy a drink, you haven't got too far to stagger back. The one rule on the park, what everybody should know,
Sorry.
if there's any barbecues, me and Christian and Nigel have to be invited to. That's the only rule that you really
I'm starving,
need to
mate. I'm starving, mate.
Okay.
I'll bring my own bottle of ketchup.
This is gorgeous.
But it's a beautiful van.
And it can stay in this location?
It can stay here, not a problem.
Okay. What's your number, Damien?
Telephone number is 07976 827734.
Well,
Let me show you down the back of the van, because the back of the van is quite always tasty.
there's not many 4 beds on site, is there?
No, well this is the only 4-bed lodge I know of.
Don't think they make many 4-bed lodges, do they?
No, this is the first one I've seen. So in the twin room, every room has got a TV in it.
Wow.
Every single room. And
These
the
are big beds, aren't they?
The beds lie on full-size beds.
There's me in the window. Hi, guys.
Hello, Nigel. So this one's got this twin room here's got a different layout.
I like this layout.
There's a lot of room in here, so getting changed. It's all double glazed, centrally heated.
And I like the plug sockets by the side of the bed for the kids.
They've got the ones where you can plug the phones in as well.
God, it's got plenty of space. Oh, this is a double one, another double one.
This is the double room, and I do believe in this little door here, you've got an ensuite shower room.
Wow, that's good. And you've got a bath. Did I show them the bath?
No, you haven't done the bathroom yet.
Wow, it's got a bath.
Bathroom's this way. Come here.
Can you fit in the bath?
Look. Well, I'll have to put some butter on my sides to slide in and out. So you've got a bath, shower.
So you've got a bath, you've got two showers, a bath.
Storage.
Loads of storage. And you've got,
just here.
listen, you've got another bedroom in here.
Yeah, another double bedroom.
Look at the cupboard space. And you've got private toilet. They've got their own private toilet.
Yeah, a little ensuite.
Which is nice.
A lot of cupboard space.
This is lovely.
There's also storage underneath the bed, I believe.
Wow.
Yeah.
And you've got loads of storage there, look.
I think they call them Ottoman beds, don't they?
Look, you've got the USB points by the side of the bed.
Yeah. Mind you read on that TV?
Yes, lovely TV. So, can we look outside it? Just look round it?
Yeah, of course we can.
Just have a little bit of a nose. So if you want to come down, have a look at it and hook up with Damien.
It's got 2 car parking spaces with this lodge as well.
Is it really?
Yeah.
I like the location because I like to party. I like... oh, there's Christian having a cigarette.
Hello.
There he is.
So it's an ABI Kilda.
Whoa. ABI, very good make, aren't they?
Yeah, they're one of the best. I think it's 42 foot long.
Oh, so you could... oh, 37 or 37. Wow. Look at it.
38 and 38. Two car parking spaces.
Look at that, guys.
Double glazed, gas central heated. Right, so if we can get our green van on there and do a bit of advertising. Green
Well,
Country Club.
we're down in Breen, and they know that in Somerset, and
You can also get Wi-Fi here.
Wi-Fi, yeah?
You can get Wi-Fi here as well.
There we are, guys, down in the country club. Yeah,
Look at it, beautiful.
Breen. Hey, listen, Damien, I really appreciate this. Thanks for your time showing this to all the lovely
my
people.
Pleasure. My pleasure. If anybody wants any information on it, give us a call, myself or Christian. My telephone number's 07976 827734. And Christian, what's your telephone number?
0754
0754.
0754 1263012.
So come down, have a look around, guys. And is this staying on location?
Staying where it is at the moment, yes.
Okay, and if they wanted to buy a caravan, you've got a couple left on the new bit, yeah?
We have indeed, yeah. Couple of vacant plots available. We've got a fair bit of stock in, anything starting from 24,995 with finance packages available if need be.
And we're spending a lot of money down here, guys. We're spending 15 million.
15 million so far, yeah, on the investment.
We're doing a lot of investment. It's a new company, so it's looking good down here. Listen, guys, thank you for your time today, and we really appreciate it. Thank you, mate.
Bye.